My name is Karen and I work at the York County Library in South Carolina. I work in the children's department there. And today I have a helpful back to school resource to share with you, and it is available through our website. All you need is your library card. It's called Brainfuse and it offers live tutoring amongst other helpful things for your students with back to school time. And so I thought I'd share a little tutorial time with you today. First thing you want to do is head to our website, which is yclibrary.org. And from there you see this page. Click on Research, click on Homework Help, and Brainfuse is the top of the list there. We'll click on Brainfuse. And this is the page where you enter your barcode number from your library card. And it also gives a nice little overview of Brainfuse on this page as well. Free live tutoring from 2 to 11 each day. All right, and here's our home page. First thing we'll do, under Expert Help on the left there, we'll click on Live Tutoring. And here you select the grade that your child is in and the subject that you'd like some tutoring in. And you can just hop on and get that live help, and it's coming from a teacher out there, so they can help with your student practice. And another thing I'd like to cover is Writing Lab. That's on the left there as well. And for this, you need a username and password. You can simply set one up using that sign up option there. And for Writing Lab, you simply upload a document that your student has been working on. It could be a paragraph, it could be an essay, anything that you want some feedback on the writing that your student has done. And you can get that feedback. Next thing I'd like to take a look at with you is under Study in the middle there. It's called Flashbulb. And Flashbulb, we can make flashcards, or look at other people's flashcards that they've uploaded already, which is kind of neat. And you can tell it's all different subjects. Tell you what, we'll go ahead and take a look at geography here. And you can see lots of folks have already created their own flashcards. And you can kind of go through and see if anything works for what you're wanting to learn. Let's try one out here. The 50 United States of America. Okay, so here are our flashcards, and you can tell we're learning our states and capitals. And here's all the data that they entered, so they're also learning the nicknames of the states as well. Okay, and also it's really neat too, with the data that they've entered, there are games that students can play as well. So there's Bug Match and Hungry Bug, Unscramble. Looks a lot like Scrabble. Looks like we've got Illinois there. All right. Well, let's head back to our home screen. And we'll head back one more time. Okay. And last thing I'd like to touch on is under Collaborate over on the right there. It's called Meet. And this is another thing that you'll enter a username and password for. But with Meet, you can set up a time, say an hour next Wednesday. You can set up a time to meet with students who are working on a project together, or maybe doing a study group online. You simply need to know the email addresses of the other students, and that way you can set up and have the link sent to them that they'll click on and join and meet you online. We'll head back to the home screen here. But yeah, so that kind of sums up some of the features of Brainfuse. There's a lot to offer on here. A lot of good practice and study materials, as well as help materials with the tutoring and everything. But thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps, and I hope it will be helpful to you and your family coming up this school year. Bye for now.